Hello, Oral Presentation English Level 2. 1. Introduce myself. 2. I tell about my trip experience on Cienega, Boyacá. 3. The weather on Cienega, Boyacá. 4. Recommendation is you go to Cienega, Boyacá. Myself. My name is Ángela Adriana Maya Jimenez. I am 26 years old. I am from Bogotá. I am a student intermediate in mathematics. I like read, ride and ride bicycle. My family. My mother is Miriam. My father is Felipe. I am married. My husband is Mauricio. I have 3 children, 2 sons and one daughter. Son Santiago, he is 7 years old. And daughter María Ángel, she is 6 years old. And son Samuel, he is 4 years old. Tell about my trip experience on Cienega, Boyacá. This to go to Cienega, Boyacá. Last weekend I went to Cienega, Boyacá. I stayed there 3 days and went with my husband and children. I liked it because I was cheap and beautiful and inspired to under 1,000. I liked it because they were a lot of places to visit. For example, I went Cathedral and the Lagoon Calderona. I liked it a lot. I can but some days ago because I started working last Monday. They were in Cienega, Boyacá. The weather in Cienega, Boyacá is cold. In the morning is cloudy and bright, sometimes and becomes and light sun and note. Recommendations is you go to Cienega, Boyacá. 1. It's better that you would wear white clothing. 2. He's good either that you drink hot drinks and eat typical. 3. Is recommend that you carry umbrella. 4. Is necessary that you use solution sound. 5. It's recommended that visit Catedral Inmaculada Concepción. It is important you cash enough money for both artisan. 7. It is good it take care the camera photography. 8. It is advised that you would avoid forgot to walk Park Canal and Lagoon Calderona. What you should do if plan you go to Cienega, Boyacá and you should go in December. Take fires and parks. You ought to avoid tickets with anticipation and date reservation of the hotel. I have better that shows and plan tourists for Goat and Lagoon Calderona and Tate Nature Park de Cañal. Why you should not do? Should not do buy tickets out before the trip. You should not drink beers during the travel to Lagoon Calderona. You'd had better nomad campfires in the Park Cañal and close the Lagoon Calderona. Thank you.